Honda's stall was buzzing at this year's Auto Expo, with 11 two-wheelers showcased, including the new Honda XBlade, updated Activa 5G and more. One of these was the updated Honda CBR250R. It was only last year that the baby CBR was discontinued from our markets for not being BSIV-compliant. Now, it looks like Honda is gearing up for a comeback of its fared sports tourer. So what's changed in Honda's 4-liter offering? For starters, the motorcycle now gets an LED headlamp, new color options, new decals and a blacked-out instrument console bezel instead of the silver on the earlier version. And, of course, a BSIV-compliant engine. In terms of design, it remains largely unchanged. The Honda VFR1200F inspired design is carried over here with large and smooth contoured panels flowing along the length and width of the motorcycle. The front now houses a Y-shaped LED headlamp with a position lamp. The semi-digital instrument console from the older model had been carried over as well. Other design additions include 2 new sporty colors, including orange and green. The signature red has been maintained as well. The bike does not break new ground in design and still looks like a large, comfortable bike you can live with.